Today we are back with the king of G-SHOCK, the GX-56BB. But today the king has a serious challenger, the G-SHOCK Mudmaster GSG-100. Both of them come with everybody's favorite color, full black. And they are also carrying the same mud resist feature, but have a $100 price difference. Let's take a closer look. GSG-100 is designed and engineered for wear and used by those whose work takes them into areas scattered with rubble, dirt, and debris. This is possible because of this watch's dirt and mud resistant configuration. The button guard cylinder structure of these models seals out mud and dust, enabling use in severe environments. While the cylindrical piping protects buttons against impact, and improves their operation, and gaskets inside the buttons prevent the entry of fine sand and dust particles. Does this sound too complicated? Don't worry. The point is, you can use this G-SHOCK GSG-100 in anywhere in any condition. Not to mention that this watch design looks really tough and cool. Isn't it? Now how about the King G-SHOCK GX-56BB? Well, almost everybody will recognize this tough and big G-SHOCK model. With a $150 price, the GX-56 model has been introduced since 2010. As for the blackout color GX-56BB, it was released in 2016. And since then until now it is still very popular. Especially its black. Because everybody loves black. Aren't you? The size of these two watches is clearly above the average for other G-SHOCK on the market. Both have a thickness of up to 17 mm more, while the other G-SHOCK average is only around 14 to 16 mm. The buttons on Mudmaster GSG-100 definitely look more elegant with stainless steel material, when compared to the GX-56BB buttons which still use resin. Just look at the size of these two watches, it's really intimidating, isn't it? However, compared to the buttons on the GSG-100, the GX-56BB model has very hard and tight buttons that are quite difficult to press without using much effort. The resin-band Mudmaster GSG-100 also looks superior with a more modern and luxurious design, compared to the plain resin-band GX-56BB. But we really love the stainless steel buckle design on this GX-56BB, with the engraved G-SHOCK logo and classy doff finish. Meanwhile, the buckle design of the GSG-100 looks pretty ugly. But it is quite difficult to choose one of the two, because when used they both look very good and tough. Don't worry because your wrists aren't big, they still look really great. If you're on a $250 budget, the Mudmaster GSG-100 absolutely is a great choice for that price. But for a budget of $150, you can also get this tough full digital GX-56BB watch, with an incredibly long service life of up to 10 years. So which one would you choose? Tell us in the comments.